What is up, YouTube? I wanted to do a very quick unboxing of my new amp. This is the Soundqubed S1-2250, and this is a 2250 watt mono block amp from Soundqubed. This is the one that came out most recently. Picked it up for I think 250 bucks. So open it up. Here is the cord for the bass knob, which looks like they give you a super ample length of cord there, which is awesome. The amp itself is nice and heavy. Let's see what we got on the side first. Looks like we got the bass knob, which is really cool because it has a clipping indicator on it. So I'm trying to do this one-handed here. And it's got a clipping indicator, power, clipping. That's awesome. And for the amp itself, take that out. This out. Do not mind the mess on my workbench. I've actually been doing a radio harness, so I got crap everywhere. Get the book out. And I'll post a link. Somebody did a dyno on this amp, and it definitely did overrated power. So I think these are the specs right here. Yep, there we go. 4 ohms at 14.4 does 800. 2 ohms at 14.4 does 13. 1 ohm at 14.4 does 23, and 1 ohm at 16 does 28. But the amp dyno I saw this video, it went to protection mode at 16 volts. So don't know what to say to that, but hey, if it happens, it happens. It's great. As you can see, it's got huge 1-aught connectors on it. Looks like we got like 4, maybe, yeah, it's probably 4 gauge for the speaker outputs, which works because I have 4 gauge speaker outputs. Then we got inputs. This amp is strappable. It's for the remote. Got a low pressure filter, subsonic, and the gain. So not going to crack this amp open to show the guts, because I'm sure you can find those online. I just kind of want to do a quick unboxing to show what you're going to get in the box. To give you a reference of how big this amp is, this is just a standard singled-in head unit. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not a very big amp, and you should be able to fit it in some decent places. I'll be putting it under the seat of the Yukon. So alright guys, you know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Let me know what you think about the Soundqubed amp, and be safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.